Hi, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to another transformative journey. Today, we're diving deep into the world of detoxification, and more importantly, what not to do during your detox process. Believe me, I've seen it all, and I'm here to guide you away from the common pitfalls that can hinder your detox goals. Before we begin, let's understand the importance of detoxification. Our modern lives are filled with environmental pollutants, processed foods, and everyday stressors that burden our bodies with toxins. You know this, there's no way to avoid it. Our body, however, is truly an amazing machine. Detoxification allows us to hit the reset button, giving our organs a chance to rejuvenate and heal themselves. This process only takes a few days, and that's amazing. That means you can start clearing out decades of sins and reset your body in just a few days. But there are some crucial mistakes that many people make during their detox journey, and I'm here to help you avoid those. First, it's up to you to choose how deep your detox will go in terms of how many days and the level of your intake. The less you take in, the deeper the detox will be because you allow your body the time and energy it requires to heal. The most intense of detoxes is a complete dry fast, no food, no water. Then a little easier is a water fast, and even easier is a juice fast. It's up to you. Beginners, I suggest a 2-day water fast to get you up to speed and show you that you're more than capable. It will teach you quite a lot from the experience. Let's jump right into it. Here are the top things you must avoid while detoxing. Number 1, while exercise is essential, avoid overdoing it during a detox. Intense workouts can put extra stress on the body. If you're well experienced in detoxing, you already know your limits. And either way, walking, yoga, or any other milder exercise are indeed encouraged during your detox. Number 2, over-drinking is a common pitfall during a detox, as most people rely on food for comfort and then they just switch it to drink. Remember that detox is about nourishing and not stuffing yourself. Listen to your body's signals and practice mindful drinking, not over-drinking. Number 3, if your detox does include drinking, hydrate with water or herbal teas alone. They both have 0 calories and won't change your ketone levels. Some people say you can drink some black coffee, but I'll just remind you that it can't be with any cream or sugar. Number 4, don't break your guidelines and rules. That means, for example, you want to know when you start the detox and when you end your detox. You want to know what you're allowed to have and what you're not allowed to have, and don't cross the line. Crossing the line is easy, and there's no forgiveness and no going back, and it usually means the end of the detox. If you plan to fail, don't even start. If you think you aim too high, you will just compromise yourself. Aim low, start short to gain experience and empower yourself, and then go longer. Number 5, anything that brings extra toxins from the outside is also forbidden. Smoking, definitely no. Cigarettes, weed, everything that introduces harmful toxins into your system is counterproductive to your detox efforts. Number 6, you can use things like enemas or a saltwater flush. I'll put a link to my very popular video about the differences between the enema and the saltwater flush in the end of this video. However, no need to do it daily. Just one time in the middle of your detox or coming towards the end. Number 7, finally and most importantly, avoid stress as much as possible. Stress can sabotage your detox journey, help you make bad decisions, and even quit the detox altogether. Take time to unwind, meditate, and practice self-care to support your body's cleansing process. If it's a bad time in your life, don't detox. To avoid stress, maybe take some time alone for the detox, some time off work. Make sure to notify your family and friends or people that live with you that you're going to be needing a stress-free environment for a couple of days. Remember, my dear friends, detoxification is a sacred journey. It's a gift we give to ourselves to reset and realign our bodies, our minds, and our souls. By avoiding these common pitfalls that I've mentioned, you're going to set up yourself to a successful and a transformative detox experience. Before we conclude, I want to remind you that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to detoxification. Listen to your body, trust your intuition, and be gentle with yourself. I hope you found this video valuable and that it inspires you to embark on your own detox journey with confidence and awareness. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, breathe deeply, live fully, and keep shining your beautiful light. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And remember, together, we can transform our lives and the world around us. Take care, my friends. See you soon, and namaste.